Hey guys, so I'm back and I already went ahead and did my brows, so we're just gonna hop right here. I'm just gonna go over top of Benny with Boutique just to make the look a little bit more dramatic. Next, I'll be taking the two shades Wig and Halloween and placing that in my mid to inner eye. Next, I'll be going in with this white NYX eyeliner and applying that to my waterline. This is the finished eye look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time.